Yes, hello Kamags. Once again, magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. So ngayon po is, as an admin of Maxim, we are really doing our best na mapahinto natin yung mga fraudsters. And we give you constantly a constant reminder kung ano po yung mga hint or mga clue natin or ano po yung mga dapat gawin natin para maiwasan natin yung mga scams. So as of today, another victims na naman guys. Again, i-comment ko din sa comment section yung actual picture at yung kakonsabo niya guys. So again, ang sabi ko sa inyo, hindi po talaga tayo tatanggap ng mga item na mga gadgets, jewelries, and any types of accessories na may COD. Strictly no COD. So just in case kunin nyo yun at willing sila magpa-picture, make sure na meron po silang valid ID. So in this case po is 1.5 yung COD, tapos nagpapa-picture si sir. At the same time, yung mga ID niya is company ID and some of the ID are from Mindanao. So J-Mall of Davao. So I don't know if you are working from J-Mall of Davao or may kakilala kayo na taga J-Mall, you can try to connect with them. Baka ma-mention nyo sila. At the same time, meron din po siyang work na construction worker. So, but I believe, base po sa aking investigation, is parang tampered lang po siya. That is why strictly no accepting of orders na hindi po mga valid IDs yung gamit nila. So, ang sabi is router, pero as per checking, not working. So, defective. Even this one defective. And if meron po kayong kilala guys, taga raw yung wifi, ano niya, ito, no, tattoo. So just in case may kakilala kayo guys, you can help out. Ang sa amin lang po talaga, ginagawa namin talaga ito para mapahinto. Hindi natin talagang mapahinto, pero we can lower the number of victims. So tayo nga is we need to be sensitive. Hindi porke nagpapapicture sila and may ID sila guys, legit na yon. So if possible, gadgets, jewelries, any types of accessories, basta meet up lang strictly. Do not accept. May marami tayong booking guys. So at least, meron po silang valid ID or any government ID. So yung mga company's ID, pwede din niyang tampered. So if possible, government ID will do. And kunan po natin sila ng mugshot ng kanilang mga picture. Again, I will comment sa picture nila guys sa baba and I will try to indicate here as well. Thank you guys, and yun po, ingat tayo ha. Lahat po ng pabayad online regardless is magpapa-as if sila na Maxim admin. That is strictly prohibited, that is not allowed. Again, uulitin ko, lahat po ng mga booking transaction na yung kahantungan o yung ending is pinapabayad tayo online, that is not allowed. Okay? So that is a scam. So I hope you can help us sharing this video, and just in case, i-check natin yung comment section, just in case kilala nyo po, para at least mapahinto natin yung mga modus nila. So please don't forget to take picture at all times. Thank you and have a great day. Bye for now.